I really think that people need to know, when you hear all of these stories about 20 years ago or 13 years ago, those aren't really in the employment setting. And so that's the big misconception out there, is that people believe, well, this happened 20 years ago, I'm going to report this now, and I want the company to take action. Great, it's important that you're reporting it, and it will help you with maybe a retaliation claim if the company does something against you. But with sexual harassment claims, you really have 300 days under the federal laws to file your EEOC charge. You have 180 days under the state laws. So it's less than a year that you have to report and go to the company and complain to human resources that you've been sexually harassed, that you've been a victim. It's not 5 years or 10 years. I think that's a huge misconception. The other thing that I think is very important for people is, if something is happening to you, whether or not you believe human resources is going to do something, under the law you need to report it. You need to document it. You need to protect yourself. I would send an email, or I would follow the company's protocols, because if you don't, you're going to lose the right to complain, the right to potentially sue the company for what's happened to you. And that's the worst scenario, when I've seen people come forward past the statute of limitations, and it's a really horrible situation. And they were just afraid for their job. They were afraid to, how are they going to pay the bills? I think now you are seeing that because people are coming forward, and because there is this Me Too movement, people are going to start looking out for themselves and feel comfortable to go forward.